If you've got an 18 volt Makita planer that's not turning on, or it's making a lot of motor noises, it could be the brushes need replacing. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. First things first, all you need is a screwdriver. This one's a flathead, and you just need to access this port here. Stick the flathead in, spin it until it's loose. Now it is difficult to access this spot, so best way to remove the top cover is to tip the planer up, and this will access the top of the brushes. Next, you get your flathead and you lever the brush up. Once that's popped out, you can see this one has some wear because it's got a bit of a groove. This will be completely flat if it's a new fresh brush. And then to put it back in, just make sure the cutouts up there, these are on the side. Push it in. Now there's a bit of resistance because of the spring, but just make sure that you line it up. Push it down, that's stable. Put the cover back on. Give it a spin. Make sure it's nice and tight. And now get yourself a battery, try it out, and that should be all working again. Well, hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching.